How goes it?
How is that tape job that
Very skilled tape job.
I came back to? He didn't realize he had to use paper to save tape, but he started taping the whole dash.
Got almost done with it if it wasn't for meddling kids.
Yep. Ain't that something? We got a seat in her now. We're starting the wiring. Well, Brian, you know what time it is?
And the Mustang Monday.
Yes.
The very last Mustang Monday.
What's she doing up there?
You know, driving around, you know. Got the clutch.
Yes.
And throw in reverse. Oh. And then I want to back in neutral. Sucker in first. Do some breakage.
The brakes are kind of not there
Maybe
yet.
use the gas.
Gas bar. We haven't put the
We got the
pedal on.
clutch.
Yeah, we haven't run the pedal connecting the carburetor yet, but
I'll run the second.
let me get my stool up just to show. Right down in here is our McLeod racing hydraulic clutch setup. So there's a reservoir we put in. Yeah. So as we emptied out the storage on the phone, there's the McLeod racing clutch. And as you can see, I over-ordered the size of the hose going to that. So it's got the hydraulic throwout bearing in it now, and we had to fit that in. So that's all done. We got the starter in, and we got all the main cables hooked up now, so you could start off the hot wire. Well, she doesn't run just yet. We don't have the coil in it.
You want to roll over one?
I probably could if we can see. Oh, there we go. Sparky. Hold on. Gotta find a better bolt.
Bolt?
Oh, there it goes. As you can tell, the Bendix. There she goes.
There's a good one.
Almost firing. Yeah, the Bendix is from an old starter. Yeah, it's sticky.
Full start's kind of sketchy.
Yeah. So, yeah, she rolls over. We can hot wire it now. So you got the seat installed. Half the pedal's ready. We gotta figure something out for the throttle. But the big challenge is this mess of pipe and tie wire.
Which exhaust.
Yeah.
Hey, we did get the drive shaft. No.
Oh yeah, the drive shaft's in there now. So we could move forward theoretically if we wanted to just blow the exhaust out of there.
Oh, that hurts. But you might as well do it now.
Yeah, do it right, do it once, so you're not tempted. And we're
Put this sucker in.
Yep, he's got the, what is that called?
Brake drum thing.
What do you call it?
Uh,
You got a master cylinder up front.
yeah.
And what's
Secondary cylinder.
slave cylinder?
Slave cylinder, that's what it's called?
Yeah. Well, they can't call them that, but that's what it has been known for 100 years. But yeah, slave or wheel cylinder is what they call them.
Yeah.
Because it's a slave to the master.
Ah.
Yeah.
You got the brake lines going, and then
And now somebody
sketchy.
decides that race it. But yeah, sketchy brake line. He kind of didn't really follow the differential all that well, but he tried.
I got kinks.
Yeah, he got a kink in it, had to cut it out and redo it. So
This one I did okay. It's
probably I've seen worse, but I've seen a lot better. So hopefully I can still run my exhaust between there. We'll see. Yeah, this is what the exhaust looks like from the rear end so far.
Kind of droopy.
Sad looking.
And we got the bolts of the gas tank.
Yeah, the gas tank's held down now. So that's, and the sender's in. How about that? Yeah, sender's in there. So we got the little float in there. And all the rhino lining is set up. So, yep, she's good and bumpy.
We fixed the slider on this, so you can adjust it.
Mm-hmm.
On the passenger side, you got so much leg room. I could
this
fully extend my legs. It's kind of insane. This one,
if you're large, you're not going to really fit too good. We'd have to put a blowout in the
your
seat.
Alex, Mom, Grandma. Well, Grandma.
That'd be tight.
Depends.
Maybe.
Steve would probably fit in here. Might just have to duck a bit.
Yeah.
Nick would definitely fit.
Yeah.
Most people would fit.
I mean, if we put a smaller steering wheel on it, that's the biggest thing. The steering wheel kind of is tight to your legs. Like you only got you got the thumbs up between your hand and the seat. She's tight. Alan won't fit. No, he would have to peel himself in and out. I don't know if that's something we did. I don't think it is, though. We're pretty damn close to what was there. So, anyways, she shifts. She can move forward if we started it.
As you can see, it's all dirty from us.
Yeah.
Using it.
We gotta get pedals just yet for it, but
they get like a boot or something.
Yeah, they make a little, because we had the one was off of the automatic, so we had to cut it down to kind of match. So it's not the standard one, and we lost a bushing.
This one?
No, this one. Remember we had to cut this one?
Oh yeah.
Because it would have interfered with the clutch pedal.
Yeah, because
it was a
massive.
Wide. Now it's.
This is a brake, right?
No, that's your.
That's just a clutch.
It's your clutch.
We just didn't have a brake pedal.
Yeah, we didn't have a pad for it yet, so you could just buy it.
Is that the brake pedal?
That's the gas. This is the brake.
I was talking about like the old one.
Oh, yeah, that's the old one there.
Okay.
So there's nothing but hopelessness in this right now. Just gotta put some fluid and hook the lines up. Should go right to the floor.
Yeah. It's pretty
good,
though.
I think half. Yeah, that's just that pilot bushing on the end. So we'll get that straightened out. What do you think? Last Mustang Monday. Is it a sad day?
Yes. They go to school tomorrow.
Day. Yep, little schoolboy has to go to classes. Should pick the online courses.
They pick the online courses.
Oosh.
Get both.
Oh boy. Now you're stuck.
Pretty much.
Yeah. So now the guys can get in the back. So, till tomorrow, I'm going to work on the exhaust.
You get the great job of working the exhaust.
Oh god, yeah. You'll come back and see me. I'm just
dead
miserable.
Yeah.
So, either way, we got enough pipe to do it. She might just come out the rockers. We're gonna try though. Alright, Brian, you know what the end of today is.
End of Mustang Tuesday. This actually will be the last Mustang Tuesday.
Yeah.
Oh, so close.
You can see he's got a nice little new shiny shifter. Yeah. Which is all connected. What else do we do?
I don't know. I think we just sat our ass all day. Well, we
Yes.
put in fuel lines.
Yep. We turned the engine into more of a basket, but some temporary stuff going on. But
Put in the brake lines.
yeah, he did a nice job there. He learned how to do his braking. So those are all bled. He's got full brakes now, except for we got to put pads in the rear. But front brakes are done. Just need the rears done with the parking brake and everything.
We got the headers back on. We got the exhaust done.
Yep.
Miller.
Oh, that was a nightmare for 2 days. Yep, we got full H pipe. It's kind of crooked, but kind of straight. So, twin mufflers, and well, you can see it from the back. We got the old valence on it, but we got one pipe, two pipe. We gotta fix this. What do you think, Brian?
Yellow valence. Pretty good.
Yeah, the 10 different colors it was.
You want to start over for me?
Yeah, we can roll it over. we got a fuel pump problem, so kind of expected, but yeah, you gotta have it in neutral unless you want to run me over.
We're good. Thanks.
That be her rolling.
Or for the friggin' fuel pump.
One for the fuel pump. We'll be all set, but it was the one that came with the motor, so.
Sketchy.
Yeah, super sketchy, and that's what we get. Broken one, so we gotta get a new one coming for that. We'll be all set. So we just gotta pull down our motor codes. Shows a C8, I believe, but yeah, we'll get a new one for a C8, which is a 68. She's ready to run. She's ready to drive. It's close.
Fuel pump. Damn, fuel pump.
Yep, you almost won.
No fuel pumps now.
Yeah, you're so close to driving it. That's the road.
More like stalling it.
Yeah, whatever. We haven't got the throttle hooked up yet either, so they'll come. Yep, we're done. Until next time.
Till next time, whenever that may be.